How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can make a new Python file on PyCharm. So this is my Python project right here, and if you want to add a new Python file, it's going to be extremely simple. So first things first, you want to navigate through the main menu of PyCharm. So just click on it, and then of course you just want to look for the new file or directory. So click new file or directory, and then you have a lot of options, but of course we want to select a Python file. Now you can name your file the way you want to. So let's do something like example file. And then of course you want to click on the Python file option, hit on enter, and here we have it, our third file on the same project. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.